Hello everyone, I hope all of you stay healthy, and through this opportunity, I would like to show how to install and also download the QM or the software for quantitative methods. Okay, let me share my screen. Here you go. So the first thing that you need to do is find out and download the software. Open your internet browser, you can Googling it, open the Yahoo and then type Google and start Googling, or just use Google straightly to Googling. Type the keyword POM QM, and then this one, QM for Windows 5.2 download free, so you can use it for free. Then this is the appearance, and where is that? This is the QM for Windows, and just click download. And then it will move to the new page, and you can choose, or this website offering you two kind of version. The first one is 5.2, latest one, and the other one is 3.2. So let's choose the last one or the latest one, the newest thing, and then click there, and the downloading is starting. Yes, you can see in the bottom of this bar for QM5. So in the quantitative method, we will use, or you will learn a lot about any model programming from mathematics like linear, and then integer goal programming, and then you also will learn about assignment and networking, also forecasting, and we are going to use this software. So this is, we can say this is the main software that we are going to use in this subject. Okay, after finish, just open this one. Now I will show you how to install the downloaded program application, especially the application software called POM QM version 5. So do you want to allow this app? Yes. If not, you are not allowing it, then it doesn't work. So welcome, very friendly, very nice. Welcome to the setup program for QM for Windows. I need to explain. So you need to install it in Windows operating software. So we can not install it in another operating system like Mac OS or Linux or something. Actually, I haven't tried in Linux, but since this stated for Windows, so I reckon this program just running in Windows. Just next, and then this is the license agreement. You can read if you want to read, or and then after you read all of the agreement, just click next, fill your full name. You can use your real full name here. I use my full name. It's about the Pasaribu, Satya, Wacana, Kristen University, or for international recognition, Universitas, Kristen, Satya, Wacana. Course, you can just skip it, or you can click anything, because the name sometimes change. So the course I prefer, maybe management course. and then professor, just type my initial, and also hopefully it become a fate, become when they you and I will be a professor if you put your name or initial. Okay, next. The name cannot be changed later, so your name will be fixed, but it's not really matter. Program can run as long as the program can run. And then choose individual student or professor, because this is for individual purpose. And then next, and choose the destination folder. Usually I just follow the template or the default program file, and then next. This installation program can associate files in my computer or file explorer. This means that you can start by double-clicking on the file in computer. Okay, do you want to do this? So we can double-click and then it will running this application. I think that's good enough. And then you are now ready. Okay, next. It won't be long, because it's very, we can say, very light application, and you don't need a lot of storage to install this software. Finish. That's it. Let's back, and then I think finish. So in your Windows appearance, in your main screen, you will see the icon QM for Windows version 5. Here it is, or you can just type it POM QM for Windows 5. So you can use this one or double click the icon in your screen. That's it. This is the appearance. There are several modules that we can use. It's depend on the subject or the topic that we learn. So we can use this one module, etc. So simple. About the application, the software, we will learn about it step by step, one by one module in the next tutorial, I think. Okay. That's it. Thank you for your attention. Stay safe, healthy, and God bless all of you. See you in the next topic.